Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock secret bedroom in Lana's apartment in Dress and Press mini update. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to go to the free play mode and you're going to go to Lana's apartment. Okay, this is Lana's apartment and you're going to go to the second floor using this lift. Tap and hold on this icon and it will bring you to the second floor where the Lana's room is. And then I'm going to go to the Lana's room. Wait. Okay. And to unlock the secret bedroom, we need to find the Lana's doll. Okay. This is Lana's doll. You need to hold it. And you're going to go to this room. Wait. Oops. Okay, we're going to go to Lana's bathroom here. Oops. All right. This is Lana's bathroom where we can see the candles. Okay, and you're going to place Lana doll right here, but we need to turn off the lamp. I'm going to place it here and let's turn off the lamp. Okay, and Lana's bathroom will turn into this creepy red room. Ooh. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the secret red room in Lana's apartment in Dress and Press mini update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.